This is the standard operating procedure for the liquid FTIR. First, ensure that the machine is turned on. The button is located on top. Make sure that it is in the on position. If you did need to turn it on, wait for the machine to beep before opening the computer program. Once the FTIR machine has been turned on and has beeped, locate the Spectra Manager located on the desktop of the computer and double-click. From here, double-click the Spectra measurement underneath the Instrument tab in Spectra Manager. It will say Initializing Instrument. From here, you can run your background. First, check the machine to make sure that nothing is in it. If anything has been left in the FTIR machine, remove it. To run a background in the Spectra measurement window, locate the green B with the red arrow, click it once. You will see at the bottom a green progress bar. It will say ready when it has finished. From here, you can prepare and load your sample. To prepare your sample for the FTIR, you will use your salt plates located in the desiccator. You will need 2 of them for your liquid sample. Clean them with acetone and a clean chem wipe. More than likely, there will be several other liquids located in this area. However, the acetone is the only liquid used to clean the salt plates. Also, be careful not to spray the acetone on the instruments themselves, as it will corrode the plastic. A small drop of your sample is placed onto one side of the salt plate. Use the pipette to spread it around evenly. The other plate is placed on top. And as you can see, only one of the plates is complete. There will more than likely be several broken plates available for use. As long as more than half of the plate remains, it can be used. Now you can take your prepared sample and load it into the machine. This is done by placing your sample vertically into the holder located in the machine. Make sure it is stable before closing the lid. After you have run your background and loaded your sample, click the blue S with the red line underneath it. At the bottom, you will see the green progress bar. This program will automatically open a new window for spectra analysis. If not, in the spectra measurement window, go to File, Analysis, Send, and this will open your spectra analysis window. For this sample, I intentionally oversaturated the salt plate. As you can see, it looks like the peaks should have been longer, however, they all flattened out around the same level. If your sample looks like this, you need to take it back out of the machine and blot the salt plates as follows. Separate the 2 plates and take one and lightly dab it onto a chem wipe to remove a small amount of sample. Place them back together and place it back into the FTIR machine. Once you have blotted and reloaded your sample, minimize the spectra analysis window. In the spectra measurement window, locate the blue S with the red underline again and run another sample. Running another background is not required. As you can see, this time the peaks are much more defined. And the spectra analysis window did not reopen because it is already open and minimized at the bottom of the screen. Reopen it, and your new sample measurement is there. This can be compared with the first sample measurement that was oversaturated. From here, do an auto baseline correction located at the top of the screen. No changes are required. Click OK. This will open up a new window with the auto baseline. From here, do an ATR correction. The button is located at the top of the screen. No changes are required. Click OK. Once again, with every new change, it will open up a new window. Now you can identify your peaks. Find the button located at the top labeled Peak Find. From here, there are several bars located on the window. The green bar at the bottom will be your lower limit. Click on the box to relocate it. Make sure that it is below any peaks that you wish to identify. At the top, the blue horizontal line is your upper limit. Click the box to relocate it. Any peaks above this line will not be found. Click Apply. If needed, the vertical line can just be moved out of the way so you can see any peaks behind it. If you need more peaks located on your analysis, decrease the noise level. Click Apply. As you can see, the number of red lines increased, which means the number of peaks located has also increased. If you need to decrease the number of peaks that were located, increase the noise level. Click Apply. The benefit of this is when you click OK, there will be fewer peaks labeled on your spectra, and they won't overlap as much. Now you can go to Edit at the top and Comment. From here, you can enter any information that you would like printed on your data analysis. Click OK. Now you can go to File and Print. This program will not automatically save your data. If you need to save it for further use, go to File and Save, and this will only save the window that you currently have selected. This is the printed data analysis. As you can see, the peaks that were found are labeled on the spectra, as well as any comments that you entered. When you are done analyzing your sample, you can remove the plates from the FTIR machine. Place them on a chem wipe, open them up, and once again using acetone and a clean chem wipe to wipe them off. Once they are clean, place them back in the desiccator, ensuring that it is closed. This ends the standard operating procedure for the liquid FTIR.